Have you ever heard of the Siberian wildfires of 2020, an inferno so vast it burned an area larger than Greece, sending plumes of smoke that circled the entire globe? As temperatures soared in the Arctic, driven by unprecedented global warming, fires erupted in the Siberian tundra, a region typically too cold and damp to sustain such blazes. These fires not only devastated local wildlife and released massive amounts of carbon dioxide, but they also melted permafrost, releasing ancient methane, a greenhouse gas far more potent than CO2. The fires were so intense they created their own weather systems, generating pyrocumulonimbus clouds that sparked lightning, igniting even more fires. As scientists scrambled to understand the full impact, the world watched in disbelief, realizing that the consequences of climate change were unfolding in ways more catastrophic than ever imagined.